Hello friends, myself Sagar. Today topic is constructor of Java. Java constructor or constructor in Java is a terminology used to construct something in our program. A constructor in Java is a special method that is used to initialize object. The constructor is called as when an object of a class is created. It can be used to set initialize value for object attributes. In Java, a constructor is a block of code similar to the method. It is called when an instance of the class is created at the time of calling the constructor. Memory for the object is allocated in the memory. It is a special type of method which is used to initialize the object every time an object is created using the new keyword at least one constructor called. How constructors are different from method in Java. Constructor must have the some name as the class within which it is defined. It is not necessary for the method in Java. Constructor do not return any type while method have the return type or void it does not return any value. Constructors are called once at the time of the object creation while method can be called any numbers of time. Each time an object is created using a new keyword, at least one constructor. It could be the default constructor is invoked to assign initial value to the data members of the same class. Rule for writing constructor are as follow. The constructor of a class must have the some name as the class name in which it resides. A constructor in Java cannot be abstract, final, static, or synchronized. A modifier can be used in constructor declaration to control its access. Example which other class can call the constructor. No argument constructor parameterized constructor default constructor. First, no argument constructor. A constructor that has no parameter is known as the no argument or zero argument constructor. If we do not define a constructor in a class, then the compiler created a constructor with no argument for the class, and if we write a constructor with argument or no argument, then the compiler does not create a default constructor. Thank you.